Okay, so my passage is a dialogue between Malcolm and Macduff. Yes, yes, okay, and it's Act 4, Scene 3. Malcolm and Macduff is walking outside King Edward's palace, and Malcolm doesn't really trust Macduff because Macduff left his family in Scotland, and therefore he maybe he's working for Macbeth, and therefore Malcolm is in the middle of deciding whether Macduff is trustworthy, and this he does by rambling about his own vices or qualities as a king. Um, yes, and this passage is before they get the news about Macduff's family. So I'm going to read aloud. This is Malcolm who's saying, "But I have none. The king becoming graces as justice, verity, temperance, stableness, bounty, perseverance, mercy, lowliness, devotion, patience, courage, fortitude. I have no relish of them, but abound in the division of each several crime, acting in many ways. Nay, had I power, I should pour the pour the sweet milk of concord into hell, uproar the universal peace, confound all the unity on earth." And then Macduff has this outburst, "Oh Scotland, Scotland." Okay, so it's kind of an interesting conversation because it reflects the quality a true kingship should have, and true kingship is kind of embodied in Duncan and King Edward, who is opposed to the tyranny of Macbeth. Yes, and you can say that if we look at Macduff's outburst over Scotland, Scotland, it seems like the true kingship is really about loving your own country more than it is to have self more than by self-interest. So yes, one could say that Malcolm and Macduff shares this virtue for loving their own country. They both love Scotland, which unites them in their opposition to Macbeth, and it also gives them kind of this power because narrative society's power has this moral legitimacy which Macbeth hasn't. Yes, and if we look at the language, um, Malcolm has these run-on lines. Uh, an example could be, "They had I've sorry here justice, verity, temperance." Then it changes, stableness changes. Changes, yes, bounty, perseverance, mercy, lowliness. Yes, so it has these run-on lines. There's also a simile by the linking word "as." The king becoming graces as justice, verity, temperance. And it makes sense because it's kind of a king that is compared with all these qualities. Yes, and then of course it's a dialogue. It's kind of important. They are talking. It's two men who are talking together. Yes, I think that was it.